Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Floetrol Studio Gallery, and I have an 18 by 24 inch canvas, some Meeden Black paint that I'm going to shake for a second, some silicone rubber tools, some mark making items, any one of which or all of which I might use. I figure I'm going to do black and white, and the canvas is already white. I could have pre-primed it, and maybe I should have, but I'm going to deal with it no matter what it is. Hopefully without too many weird things happening to the canvas in the way of... I kind of like it is right now. But I still want some white. It's kind of cool. Okay, I'm back, and it's not 100% dry. There's still some wet spots, but it's been 10 minutes, and I'm going to take a chance. I really like it just the way it is, but I'm going to take a chance. This is titanium white vivid intense from Colourarte, and I'm a Colourarte affiliate. So if you're looking for a Colourarte coupon promo code, look in the description under the video. I'm going to try and be cautious. It's not my strong suit. I don't want to go hog wild. I just want a little more white than I've got. And obviously it's not going to cover in any intense, deep way, but it's going to leave a textured, interesting, I hope interesting. I love the odd shapes. I really, really do. I gotta go, which means probably pretty well done. It is what it is, such as it is, and I guess we're done. Oh, we'll be in a second. Yep, I still like it. That's good. I was a little worried. There's a lot going on in there. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linktree, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link, volumes 1 and volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. There's something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.